Hi guys, today we are going to start a new topic, new project that is college student placement prediction by using machine learning student placement. Okay, this is the image of the this project. Okay, now before that I will show you how we built an application for this model so you can come to know the our model by easily by looking the application setup. Okay, see this is the interface of the our model. College placement prediction, home, about, contact. Enter student data. Provide the following details to predict placement outcome with vibrant colors. Okay. College ID, IQ, previous semester result, CGPA, academic performance, internship experience, extracurricular score, communication skill, and project completed. Okay. So individually by giving input, then we'll predict whether a student is applicable for placement or not. This will provide us information regarding student is whether he is placemented in a company or not. Okay, now we will provide some data so that you can come to know the result as a output. College ID, give exit something like that 45. Okay, next IQ, student IQ. First we will give IQ as a 80, 89%, 89. Next previous semester result give as a 90%. Next CGPA give as 99. Okay. Next academic performance give as 8. Next internship experience nearly 6 months. Okay. Next extracurricular score give as 5. Next communication skill give as a 9. Okay, next project completed nearly 4 project completed. Okay, next predict the result. Okay, we'll get then result. See this student placement prediction placed. See this, the result is we got as a placed. Now we will see another one result. Enter the college ID as something like 43. Okay, next provide the IQ as 1%. Okay, next previous semester result as 2. Okay, next CGPQ as 2. Okay, next academic performance 1, internship 0. Let's see what will get the result. Okay, okay, 0. Communication skill also 0. Okay, projected completed 0. Okay, now predict the answer. Let's see what will the prediction. See this, the result you got not placed. Student placement prediction, student is not placed in the any company like this. Okay, now I will briefly explain the details of this project. Okay, before that I will show you we took two research paper for this model, so you can reference for two research paper for reference only. Okay, so you can come to know easily by looking the research papers. Okay, first one is student placement analyzing using machine learning. See this research paper how it look like. Introduction, literature, survey, everything they have mentioned, methodology, and existing systems. See support vector machine, k nearest neighbors, knn, proposed system, legislative regression, random forest, like that they have mentioned, system architecture, everything they have given. Okay, now coming to the another one research paper, that is campus placement prediction and analyzing using machine learning by Priyanka Shahane. Okay, Department of Artificial Intelligence and Data Science. Okay, see this inside content. Okay, introduction, methodology, literature survey, and future selection, ratio, and this is the flowchart, architecture diagram, standard percentage distribution, like this they have mentioned. So you can come to know by the seeing this. Okay, they given the different types of graphs also, MBA percentage distribution like this, conclusion, everything, and tables also. Okay, everything I will discuss with this detail with detail. Okay, while taking in consideration these two research paper, I took some key points and mentioned it. I will explain that points. Okay, like data set, models, classification. Okay, like that. I will explain it that. So you can come to know. See this student placement analyzing and prediction using machine learning data set. In this research, two research paper only. Okay, study one, 3,000 records from various universities year 2022 with features such as gender, grades, 10th, 12th undergraduate, board specialization, work experience, e-test score. Study 2, in second research paper, 215 records dataset from Kaggle, including attributes like SSC percentage, degree type, work experience, etc. Now consider coming to the models they use existing SUM, KNN, decision tree, random forest models they use. Proposed legislative regression, gradient boosting classifier. These models perform binary classification, placed one or not placed one, zero. Okay, like this we got an output as a two result. One is placed, another one is not placed. Okay, classification, supervised learning approach to classify student placement status based on features. Now coming to the pre-processing, missing salary values filled with zero for a unplaced student, categorical values encoded to numerical, data split 80% training and 20% testing, feature selection based on visual correction analysis. Coming to the accuracy they got, accuracy is equal to TP plus TN bar TP plus FP plus TN plus FN. Reported accuracies, logistic regression they got 95.34 percentage, decision tree 83.72 percentage, KNN 90.69 percentage, and random forest 88.67 percent. Now coming to the proposed system, including a graphical user interface GUI for easy interaction and visualization of prediction. Importance of this dataset, real world input for model training. Models, captured patterns for prediction, classification, actionable insights on student placement, pre-processing, data quality improvement, accuracy, trustworthy prediction system, support student and institutes in placement decisions. Okay, now coming to the importance of this project, and also here student placement analyzing using machine learning summary from these two research paper only. This document summarize the key finding and methodology of the student placement analysis using machine learning based on two research studies. Okay, there I have shown you. In it includes dataset information, machine learning models used, classification methodology, pre-processing techniques, evolution metrics, and conclusions. Table 1. Table 1 gives TP, FP, FN, and TN values of different models. Like models, legislative regression, they got 16 of TP, FP of 1, FN of 1, TN of 25. Decision tree, 13 of TP, 3 of FP, 4 for FN, and 23 for TN. Now KNN, 14 for TP, 1 for FP, 3 for FN, and 25 for TN. Random forest, 13 for TP, 2 for FP, FN has 4, and TN has 24. Now coming to second one, campus replacement prediction and accuracy of different models. Like models, legislative regression accuracy they got 95.34 percentage, and decision tree the 83.72 percentage, and KNN has 90.69 percentage, and random forest they got 88.67 percentage. Comparing in these four models, the legislative regression got 95.34% highest as a highest. Okay, conclusion, the legislative regression model achieved the highest accuracy of 95.34% in predicting campus placement. This study emphasizes the importance of proper data preprocessing, future selection, and the comparative analyzing of different machine learning models to improve placement prediction accuracy. Okay, coming to the importance of this project. Importance of student placement prediction and analyzing project. Okay, I given some key points. Okay, help student improve their career prospects, predicts the probability of getting placed based on academic performance like skills and other parameters, provides actionable insights to improve key areas like technical skill communications, allows students to prepare better for placement drives, support education institute in decision making like identifies student at risk of not being placed, enables targeted training and workshop, helps improve institutional reputation by increasing placement success. Coming to automated the placement process, eliminates manual effort in analyzing student data, saves time and ensures efficient placement prediction, provides data driven recommendation to placement officers. Now coming to fourth, data-driven insight for strategic planning, analyzes historical placement trends, helps in curriculum improvement based on industry needs, facilitates alignments of academic programs with job market demands. Coming to reduce subjectivity and bias, objective prediction reduces human bias in evaluating students, leads to fairer data-driven assessment of placement potential. Coming to the facilities better industry collaboration. Companies understand profiles more likely to succeed. Institutes adapt educational programs to industry recruitment. Supports industry academia collaboration for employability enhancement. Coming to real world application, applicable in college university placement cells, extendable to employment portals and government schemes. Foundation Foundation for advanced career guidance system. Eighth one is future scope, enhanced with deep learning for higher accuracy, integrated into interactive web mobile platform for real-time prediction, use of advanced cross-validation techniques and neural network for further researches. Overall, this project bridges the gap between education and employability, benefits students, institutional and industries alike by offering predictive insights and fostering data-driven decision making. Okay, like these are the key important points of this model. Okay, now I'll show you the research paper in deep. Okay, so you can come to know what content they have. See this student placement analysis using machine learning. Abstract they have given introduction, literature survey, and methodology. See this methodology, data collection, pre-processing, model generation, classification, and result analysis, and existing system, decision tree, support vector machine, k nearest neighbors, proposed system, random forest, k nearest neighbors. See this model. The algorithm is to lead the necessary data, and also system architecture, database, pre-processing, splitting database, dataset, test dataset and training dataset. In test dataset, apply learn model on test data, that is prediction. In training dataset, applying algorithm on training data, that is model learning. Next, accuracy comparison and conclusion. Result. See this result they got, and conclusion also they given. Okay. Now coming to the another one research paper which I have shown already. Some key important points we will discuss in this also. Campus placement prediction and analyzing using machine learning. Introduction, methodology, literature survey. See this, they have future selection like this. They given a graph for better understanding. And placement count versus gender, like this, how much placement have done with respect to the students. Okay. Now coming to the this architecture diagram, data acquisition, pre-processing the data, future selection, split data like training data for 80%, testing data for 20%. After that, machine learning algorithm, logistic regression, decision tree, knn, and random forest. Result they got evaluated result. This is the standard percentage distribution. See this, okay, graph. And they have given the placement count versus 10th percentage, placement count versus 12 percentage. Graphs they have mentioned undergraduate percentage distribution, and this is the 12th standard percentage distribution. Okay, and also placement count versus undergraduate percentage, and placement count versus MBA percentage. Like this, they have mentioned MBA percentage distribution also. Conclusion they have given, calculation they did, and the models I have already explained in these key points. Okay, this is the comparison of campus placement prediction accuracy of different models. See this. This is the legislative regression, decision tree, KNN, and random forest. Okay, now coming to the our model, that is our code. This is the data set we use. Inside that, we did an model run with respect to data set, that is college student placement. Inside this we got like this college id, iq, see this iq and college id, previous semester result, which is CGPA, academic performance, like this internship experience, extracurricular score, communication skills. Okay, which have already shown you. And the model we used as random forest classifier, that is random stage 42. Okay, now coming to the accuracy, we got accuracy of 1%, that is 100%, classical report, precision, recall, upon score, support. See this accuracy and macro average, weighted average. See how we got, and 111, that is percent supported, like this. Okay, confusion matrix is, this is actual versus predicted, 1674 and 326. Okay, this is 0 and this is 1, means 0 means not placed and 1 means placed. Okay, like this. Okay, now coming to the model for application. See this background code we had did for application for real life. Okay, interface. Okay, this is the home page I have already shown. Once again I will show you. See this, we have given some random data, so you can get the result. Okay, by predict it, it will predict the student placement, whether a student is placed or not. Okay, I have shown you earlier, this is not placed student, and another one is placed student. This is the application for the our model. Guys, how we, guys, if you have any doubt regarding this model or this project, you can contact us through our contact number, which we have mentioned in our YouTube channel. And also, guys, please share your friends, so that they can come to know our model and project, so they can easily understand by seeing this, and they can take care of, they can take use of it. And also, please share and subscribe, and also like the our channel. Thank you very much for watching my video by patiently. Okay, thank you guys.